In part C, we have 5 secant square x is equals to 6 secant x. So now we will solve. So 5 secant square x is equals to 6 secant x. We know that the secant x is equals to 1 over cos x, and cos x will be equals to 1 over secant x. So we can write 5 into 1 over cos square x is equals to 6 into 1 over cos x. Now we will write 5 cos square x is equals to 6 over cos x. Now we will do the cross multiply on both sides. So we have 5 cos x is equals to 6 cos square x. Now we'll rearrange. So 6 cos square x minus 5 cos x is equals to 0. In the next step, I will take cos x as in common. So we'll write 6 cos square x minus 5 cos x is equals to 0. So cos x taken as common. So we have 6 cos x minus 5 is equals to 0. So now we will separate the factors. So cos x is equals to 0 and 6 cos x minus 5 is equals to 0. The next thing, we are going to find the basic angle for these. Here we have alpha is equals to cos inverse of 0. So by using the calculator, we will find. So here you can see the cos inverse of 0 is pi by 2. So let me write. Okay, we know that the cos is 0. So the cos is positive in the first quadrant and the fourth quadrant. Okay. So for the first quadrant, we will write the cos as it is. So our first quadrant, we will write x is equals to alpha. That would be remain as it is. But for the fourth quadrant, we have to subtract pi by 2 from 2 pi. So we will get 3 pi by 2. For the next part, we will write 6 cos x is equals to 5. So cos x would be equals to 5 by 6. So now I will find the cos inverse of 5 by 6. So when we take the inverse, we will got. So here we will take cos inverse of 5 pi by 6. So that alpha would become 0.5857 approximate. Now we know that the cos is positive in first and the fourth quadrant. So now we will find the answers. So now for the first quadrant, we will write x is equals to alpha. So x would be equal to 0.5857. That would be the first answer. And next for fourth quadrant, we know that x is equals to 2 pi minus alpha. So 2 pi is 2 times 3.142 minus 0.5857. So we'll use the calculator to simplify. So here you can see. So our answer would become 5.6983. 5.6983. That is the fourth quadrant. Now We will verify our answers. Now we will verify our answers. We need to know 5 divided by 6. That is basically 0.83. Okay. Now we'll find cos of 0.5857. So that is 0.833 near to 5.6. Might be it give the answer, but anyhow, that's fine. Now the second answer we will verify. So cos of 5.6983, that is also 0.833.